Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, what's going on with these so-called long-term residence visas that basically, I think we've been discussing this for a little bit over a year now on this channel. Question posed is what's going on with those? To get into some of this, I'm going to quote from the Tiger, that's the Tiger, THAIGER.com. Article is titled, Who is eligible for a 50,000 baht 10-year LTR visa in Thailand? The fine print. And just quoting an excerpt here, and hats off to the folks at the Tiger, always interested in their take on things. Quoting directly, today Thailand's cabinet announced that the fee for a 10-year long-term resident visa would be had from 100,000 baht to 50,000 baht to attract foreigners with high potential to reside in the kingdom. Not only has the fee been reduced, but the eligibility criteria has become more quote-unquote flexible, according to Deputy Spokesperson for the PM's office, Rachada Tanadirek. The cabinet hopes the changes will increase foreign investment and boost the economy in these early post-pandemic months. The LTR visa is targeted at 4 groups of foreigners: wealthy foreigners, retirees, working foreigners, specialists. All groups are welcome to bring their spouse and up to 4 children, as long as the children are under the age of 20. And quoting further, the changes will come into effect 90 days after the Cabinet's official announcement in the Royal Gazette. It's my understanding, I'm not certain, we've been looking at this, I haven't seen if the Cabinet has made an official announcement in the Royal Gazette, but that being said, even if they have done, this article was done on May the 11th. We're sitting here in May, May 18th. So 90 days, we would actually see the act come online. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that, okay, 3 months from now, so August, we're going to be seeing these LTR visas in action. Not necessarily. They have to enact the law, then they have to deal with the regulatory structure that comes out of that, the ministerial regulations. So, and then after they've kind of hammered that out, they'll go ahead and we'll probably start seeing actual visas being issued, or at least criteria promulgated so you can get the actual visa. Again, this thing is still in kind of a state of flux. I think things are moving forward on it, but as far as sort of finalized outcomes yet, it sort of remains to be seen. We've got a good idea what things are looking like. Also understand there are other options out there for long-term stay in Thailand. It's not just this particular program, and quite frankly, and I've mentioned it before, I think a very narrow subset of people are going to be using this visa ultimately, quite frankly. Now, that being said, it remains to be seen. We will keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.